Craving authentic Korean flavors? This 45-second kimchi pork stir-fry will blow your mind. Here's everything you need: pork belly, fermented kimchi, and Korean essentials. Gochujang, soy sauce, sugar, and garlic for that perfect Korean kick. Marinate the pork for 10 minutes with gochujang and seasonings. Heat your wok with vegetable oil over high heat. Add the marinated pork and stir-fry until golden brown. Now add the star, fermented kimchi, and sliced onions. Stir-fry everything together until fragrant and tender. Look at those amazing colors coming together. Finish with sesame oil and fresh green onions. Garnish with green onions and sesame seeds. Serve hot over steamed rice for the perfect Korean comfort meal. Authentic Korean flavors in just minutes. Subscribe for more amazing Korean recipes. Hit that subscribe button and let's cook more Korean favorites together.